Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I have some quick and easy and what I think are really pretty DIYs for spring. I have a stack of books here. They are all different sizes, but they stack up really nicely. So we're going to be using these for our first DIY. We're going to remove all of the dust covers that are on these books. And once we have those all removed, I'm going to take them and lay them down flat and put them in a garbage bag and slide them underneath my couch for safekeeping. Now, if you have pets or something that go underneath your couch, you can slide these underneath your bed or in the top of your linen closet if you want to reuse them. And I'm going to take all these heart color books and then I'm going to use my secret weapon, and that is wrapping paper. And I am going to re-sleeve all of these books with various wrapping papers, and then do a little decoration on top, and this entire DIY will be done. It will be fun, it will be easy, and it will be pretty for spring. DIY number 2. I was gifted this beautiful teacup a while back and I only have one, so I had nothing to do with it. So now we're going to use it in a DIY. And here are my final projects, and I think they turned out really pretty, and they are the easiest things to do. My stack of books I decided to do in something a little bit different than what you normally see. I use wrapping paper, which is one of my tricks of the trade that I always do in crafting. All three of my wrapping papers came from either Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I love to shop there for unique pieces of wrapping paper because they are high end, normally would cost you anywhere from $10 to $20 a roll, but at Home Goods or TJ Maxx you can get them as low as $1.99 all the way up to like $4.99 for a really nice roll with a lot of paper on it. So that's where I like to shop for them all the time. I did use some of the floral wrapping paper and add it to the bow that's on top. I put a few fern leaves from Dollar Tree in there, and the bright pink and the darker pink ribbon also came from Dollar Tree, and the other swirly ribbon I had in my stash. On to the teacup. That was a gift to me, so I know they carried them at Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, places like that. I was just really happy to use it for something since I only had one of them. So I just added in things from Dollar Tree, greenery, the little eggs and stuff. I made the ears out of the automotive microfiber cloths from Dollar Tree with a little felt to go in the middle, so I had some pink in the ears, and the little chicks came from Big Lots. So that's it for this entire video. It was quick, it was easy, it was fun, and I think they turned out really, really pretty. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space, I don't know why not. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. We make a lot of cool things here like these right here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.